Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Red Fox Ride. I'm here from Sabie on my way to Graskop on the R532.
Too late to learn to listen.
And a beautiful road. I'm here on my Suzuki Boulevard M109R.
A man. How many yesterdays are between us now?
And nature is so beautiful. And the road is also nice. Well, this is the panorama route. So every part here from, you can say from Badplaats, Barberton, Nelspruit, White River, Sabie. I'm now from Sabie to Graskop now. From here, it's become really beautiful and a lot to see. So I want to show you guys God's window, the potholes, and Pilgrim's Rest.
As we go.
So guys, sit back and enjoy this ride here with me. It's really a beautiful journey. Oh, look that sunrise.
Purple prose, and I'd find you if I could. Invite you to the final act.
I didn't check how far is it. I never check. I'll just go. I fill up the tank with fuel. And now at least I can ride about 300 kilometers on this tank. The bike gives me so 18.5, 19 kilos a liter if I drive normal. Like 120 kilometers per hour. Most of the time I'm riding between 80 and 100. So they can see what's going on around me. Because I love nature, mountains. I love to travel. And always solo. Never in a group. That's when you enjoy it the most. Look how beautiful is that mountains.
Are between us now.
Speed in the black, nobody driving, we're in the back.
Look how beautiful it is. The trees around the road here. It's not like in the Free State. Free State is only grass fields and nothing to see. Here and there there's a little bit something. But Mpumalanga is beautiful. Even Limpopo is beautiful.
To the end of the world.
the road is quiet because I'm early. Not too early, but normally this time of the day it's busy, but today, nothing. That's nice, I love it. I have the whole road for myself.
The gravity of you. Tides will rise, tides will fall. It'll always be true. Tides will rise, tides will fall. There's nothing we can do. How many suns we don't know. Our supernova tells us what we have.
Oh, amazing, beautiful. I'm riding right into the sun now.
To the end of the world. To the end of the world. I will love you to the end of the world.
What a beautiful journey. Ah, now there's some cars coming from the front. I'm not far from Graskop. Beautiful area this. A lot to see around here. If you ever come to South Africa, this is a must see.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Guys, I would like that you guys subscribe to my channel and like my videos and hit that bell so that you're gonna be informed of the next upcoming video. And I see you guys in the next video. Cheers!